keep on top of your hearing health, it's important to have regular hearing tests, just as you would visit your optician or dentist. The tests are carried out by trained hearing aid audiologists who will find out whether you have any hearing loss or not, and if you do, how severe it is. They can recommend the right hearing aids for you. A hearing test can also pick up on any issues before they become difficult to treat. In this video, we'll talk about what will happen during a hearing test, so you know what to expect when you book in with Boots Hearingcare. When you come in for your hearing test, your audiologist will discuss any problems you may have noticed or any changes in your hearing. They'll also take a look inside your ears to check how healthy they are before carrying out any tests. The human ear is capable of hearing sounds from 20 Hz right up to 20,000 Hz. This includes sounds like bus engines, dog barks, music, and planes. Speech sounds fall between 250 Hz and 8,000 Hz, and this is the range we measure at your hearing test. During your test, your audiologist will measure the thresholds of your hearing. They are the quietest level of sounds you can hear at specific frequencies. Your results will be plotted in an audiogram, which is a chart that represents your hearing ability. Your right and left ears are plotted separately, with circles representing results from your right headphone and crosses representing results from your left headphone. The vertical axis shows how loud or intense the sound is, while the horizontal axis shows the sound's frequency, tone, and pitch. Hearing loss typically affects both ears, but not always, and the extent of loss can vary between your ears, which is why it's so important to have your hearing tested. Once the audiogram is ready, your audiologist will interpret and discuss the results with you. They'll look at volume, pitch, and speech sounds, which will help them to determine the extent and the type of hearing loss you may have, and if you have conditions that may need to be addressed. Your audiologist will place a vibrating pad behind your ear to test your bone conduction, and these results, when viewed with your audiogram, show the extent, nature, and possible cause of results that don't sit within the normal range. This helps them to diagnose whether your hearing loss is conductive, where an obstruction or trauma is affecting your outer or middle ear, sensory neural, where nerve damage affects the inner ear and hair cells, or a mixture of both. We offer 3 types of hearing tests at Boots Hearingcare. Online hearing test. This quick, simple test shows how well you're hearing in around 3 minutes, and all you need is a pair of headphones and a calm, quiet space. Visit our website to find out more. In-store 15-minute hearing health check. During this free hearing test, one of our team will screen your hearing and give you the results in just 15 minutes. They'll also answer any questions you may have and be able to advise on the next steps depending on your results. In-store 75-minute full hearing assessment. This thorough assessment is ideal if you are new to our services, already use or want to upgrade your hearing aids, or have been previously diagnosed with hearing loss. It provides a full assessment of your ear and hearing health, as well as testing your hearing. You can find out more about our hearing tests and our assessments at bootshearingcare.com. Once your hearing test is over, your audiologist will review your results and explain how they fall on the audiogram. They'll also explain what this means for the sounds you may struggle to hear and how that relates to any difficulties you highlighted during your appointment. Your audiologist will then be able to recommend the next steps, such as speaking to your doctor to treat any underlying conditions, or helping you choose suitable hearing aids. Book a hearing test with our audiologist to find out how well you're hearing and how we can help you improve your hearing. Book an appointment for your free hearing check at bootshearingcare.com.